5 pounds of beef, 4 pounds dough, 1 pound cheese. This is a 10-pound cheeseburger. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I had some friends over, so I decided to make a giant burger. This has proven more challenging than I thought, but it was fun to make. To start off, I'm making a giant burger bun. The recipe for this is enough for around 6 normal buns, and I doubled it, so it's equivalent of 12 burger buns. I do hope it's enough for the meat though. We will see. I will also link the recipe in the description below if you're interested in making a human-sized burger bun. This bun is basically brioche burger bun. What you saw me doing in the beginning is called tanzong. I won't get into too much details in this video, but if you're interested to know about this, let me know in the comments. I will add all the dry ingredients, which is flour and salt, and give them a quick mix for everything to get well incorporated. Then add the yeast and milk mixture, then add the tanzong and mix until everything is well incorporated. Then add eggs, and when everything is mixed, we will add a lot of butter. It's a big boy bun. I will just try to shape it into a ball as much as I can, give it a few spanks, and add it to a well buttered bowl and wrap it and let it have a quick nap. Now for the exciting part. The original plan was to make this a 10-pound beef, but I was too scared and I decided to make 5 pounds to start the series. But rest assured, the 10 pounds burger is coming. I'm gonna season this meat generously. To be honest, I have no idea how much spices I should put, but to be safe, I put a lot of spices. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. It's really hard to mix all these spices with the meat. It almost feels like a workout. I'll divide them into 2 patties into baking sheets and try to shape them as much as I can into a proper burger shape. And as you can see, I didn't do a good job. Nevertheless, they are going to the oven until they are cooked. The bun is now ready to bake. I made this foil makeshift thingy just to hold the dough in the bun shape, otherwise it would just go all over the place and become more of a thick pizza than a burger bun. I'll put all the dough inside and let it rest for 30 more minutes and try to cover this giant piece of foil somehow. Until the bun rests, I will make a quick sauce, nothing fancy, just ketchup, mayo, mustard, and pickled cucumber. Didn't want to go crazy on the sauce, I want to keep it simple, like this giant rested bun here. Now it's ready to bake, but before it does, I'll quickly add an egg wash, just 1 egg and some milk to give it this sexy golden color on top. And just because, I will also add some sesame seeds on top, and off to the oven it goes. As you can see, I'm very well prepared. Here's the bun in all its glory. If only I can take the damn foil off. Moment of truth, I would be so mad if it was undercooked from the inside. As you can see, my kitchen isn't made for such monstrosity of dough. Looks well baked to me. And now the important part. On a buttered pan, the bun goes. Try saying this 10 times fast. It's important to toast your burger buns or else the burger gods will haunt you. Look at them all gloriously toasted. Now for the sauce, and yes, I put the sauce on both sides, sue me. And now the moment of truth. Will the patties actually fit the buns or not? And of course they did. I'm way too good in this. Okay, patty number 1 is in. Time for a lot of cheese. This is just normal cheddar cheese, nothing fancy. We'll try to put them all over the patty, and here comes patty number 2. And even more cheese. Looks good to me. Now some tomatoes and some lettuce. I didn't even bother to cut them. Please try not to fall. and cover this bad boy and off to the oven again on broil, just to melt the cheese a bit without, you know, cooking the veggies too much. And here it is. Only one thing missing, a cross section cut. It's mandatory, it's too damn huge. Took me a while to cut it. Now for the moment of truth. Please look good inside, please do look good. Oh boy, look at that. All those layers and the cheese. God damn. Okay, now my friends can eat. I have been making them wait for a long time.
I'll take this one and I'm gonna take this one.
Wine.
I can't compress it enough.
Well,
I think I really can't do it. It's so good.
About to see something.
Let's go.
and that's it, guys. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time.